Stocks closing out a rocky week lower, but the dollar and treasuries, they rally. Deborah Kostroun joins us with all the details of what happened today at the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yeah, stocks closing lower, led by technology stocks. This was after earnings from big software makers see disappointed investors. Also, Nvidia reporting earnings, but got a downgrade from Needham, which cited slower growth in its core graphics processing business, mainly because of increased competition in the tablet, computer, and smartphone market. Also, financials closing lower as Republicans advancing 3 bills to reshape the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau as they push for changes to the Dodd-Frank Act. Janus Capital, JP Morgan Chase, all those on the losing end today, Pimm.
Now, Deborah, stocks closing out lower after a wild week of trading. What is everyone looking forward to for next week?
Well, you know, one of the things that we're going to be looking at mainly is a lot of talk about the European debt situation, Greece front and center once again. Traders telling me this afternoon that'll be something that will definitely be on the radar. And certainly it was a wild week with a lot of big swings in commodities this week. And we closed out this week. Gold and silver were actually a little bit lower, but crude oil gaining a couple of dollars a barrel for the week in total. And we're talking to traders here, and right now they say the market really struggling, and internally there is a rotation away from risk and towards more stability, and they're seeing a lot of buying in consumer staples and healthcare, and in fact those are outperforming. Those were the 3 biggest gainers in the S&P this week: the consumer staples, those boring utilities, and the healthcare stocks. And remember, those are the areas of the market that have been underperforming for some time, but we really saw some buying over the past week. And Pimm, just to let you know, we do have some headlines breaking here after the close of trading here on Friday. Borders saying that they cannot find a bidder willing to buy the entire chain, but Borders saying that they are still seeking a buyer for a large piece of that chain. That's it from here. Back to you in the studio.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.